Hello everyone, welcome to TradexBulls. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss two short-term stocks for this week. These stocks are looking good for this week and for the coming time ahead. We will discuss why they are on our radar. But before that, please stop the video and read this disclaimer. This is purely an educational video. This is not any of buying or selling recommendation. So please contact your financial advisor before investing. Also, before going into the charts, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, please join our Telegram channel, the link for which will be in the description down below. We have daily Q&A session with our members in the Telegram channel, so make sure you join the Telegram channel to be a part of that group. So let's not waste any more time and let's see which stock is in our radar for this week. So the first stock that we have in our radar today is Network18 Media, and this is its daily chart. So let's see why it is in our radar. So first of all, Network18 Media has given a trendline breakout on the upper side, as we can see on the chart, which is a very good sign for the stock. Also, after the breakout on the last trading session, it has got some rejection from the previous resistance level, which is marked over here. So it shows that the sellers are still active from that level. So we will not enter the stock straight away. I will discuss going ahead that how the strategy will work for this stock. So for now, you can see that it has given a clear trendline breakout, and its next resistance is this level. So we will wait for the price to break it and to sustain above it, or even better to give a closing above it. Then we will enter in the stock. One more thing I want you guys to notice over here, that it has consolidated for quite some time now. So if this breakout happens and with volume, so it will be an indication of a clear cut breakout and not a fake out. So that is something we have to see over here in Network 18. And this green line which is marked over here will act as a very important support for this trade. So our plan of action for Network 18 will be when the stock gives a breakout above this resistance level with volume and the price sustains above it, then we will enter. So now let's discuss our entry and target levels for Network 18 Media, and I want you guys to listen very closely. We will enter the stock once the price is above 95 and the price sustains above it, 95, 96 level, and the price sustains above those levels, or better give a closing above it, then only we will enter. Our targets for the short term will be 105 and 1110 levels, and we will exit the stock if the trade doesn't go on our way. We will exit it below 87 levels, so our stop loss, you can consider it at 87 levels on closing basis. Now let's see our second stock for this week. So our second stock for today is JSW Energy, a very good stock which you can consider investing for the mid to long term as well, but for now, for today, it is in our list for short term purpose. So let's see what's happening in JSW Energy over here. So JSW Energy has given a breakout of the trend line couple of days back, and since then it's not looking behind. So I was personally waiting for it to break this horizontal resistance level personally, which it did on the last trading session, and it gave a closing above that level, which is a very good sign. So our strategy will be a bit different in entering the stock. But before that, we can see over here that the volumes are increasing considerably. So that means buyers are interested in buying buying at this level, and they are taking the price further upwards. So which is a very good sign. So now let's talk about the entry for this stock, how the strategy will be. So there will be two types of strategy. One will be plan A and another will be plan B. So let me explain to you what those two plans are. So the plan A is for the condition if the stock doesn't come back for a retracement. So let's say on Monday it opens at the current market price or above it. So what we will do is we will enter a very small quantity. We will enter with a very small quantity. Let's say you wanted to buy 100 shares of JSW Energy, but we will only enter with 30 to 35 shares at current level. Okay, so this is the first part of the strategy. So if the stock gives retracement after we enter, we can add quantities. So we will add quantities in part. So let's say on this first resistance level, we will enter 30 more shares, and below it we will enter with 40 more shares. So this is how the strategy 1 will work. So that means we are not putting all the quantity at a higher price, and we are giving ourselves a chance to average at lower levels and buy it with a considerably lower average price. So this will be the first strategy. And the second strategy will be, we will wait for the retracement or the pullback. When the stock comes down for some retracement, we will buy near these levels. Okay, so our buying level according to the second strategy will be near about 330 to 335 levels. We can add it in 330 to 335 levels according to the second strategy, where we are going to add all the quantities around those levels. And our targets for short term will be 350, 360, 370. For mid term it can go to 400 levels, and for long term it can go up to 450, 500 levels as well. And our stop loss will be very small. Our stop loss will be 320 on the closing basis, or below that. If the stock starts to trade below 320, we can exit it over there. So these were the two stocks that we wanted to share with you guys for the next week, and we have discussed with you the total entry and exit strategy in these two stocks. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, make sure you click the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe and show us your support, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good night.